The thing that was most disturbing about the Rangers' announcement that there was no evidence of sex abuse is that there's lots of evidence of that.
The Texas Department of Public Safety on the defense after U.S. District Judge Janice Jack said she wants a federal inquiry into the Refuge, a state-licensed facility for juvenile sex trafficking survivors, bypassing the agency's investigation. Jack saying she lost faith in the agency and questioning if Rangers even know the definition of sex trafficking in a Wednesday hearing. The investigation happening after several staff members at the Bastrop facility were accused of sex trafficking underage survivors in their care. On March 16th, DPS Director Steve McCraw wrote a letter to Governor Greg Abbott stating there is no evidence that any of the residents at the refuge shelter have ever been sexually abused or trafficked while at the shelter. But in that same letter, McCraw acknowledged the agency was looking into an incident where a staff member made underage sex trafficking survivors sell nude photographs of themselves for drugs. That letter prompted Governor Greg Abbott to tweet, quote, Texas Rangers clear Bastrop Child Center from allegations of sexual abuse or human trafficking. Many people jumped to false conclusions.
Commissioner of DFPS today told the judge she believed there was lots of evidence of sex abuse. It's obvious that there was. We don't know why the Rangers report said otherwise.
In a March 29th letter to Abbott, McCraw wrote that one of the girls forced to sell nude photographs for drugs believed she had been sex trafficked years prior by the boyfriend of the staff member victimizing her. The letter showing a shift as it appears to not discredit but validate the initial outcry, with McCraw writing, quote, we have not identified additional evidence of sexual abuse, sexual exploitation, or human trafficking occurring at the refuge shelter beyond what was initially reported on January 24th. Thursday, DPS provided Fox 7 Austin with this statement on McCraw's March 16th letter and testimony at a hearing on the following day. It reads in part, Texas Rangers had only found evidence of child exploitation thus far. These preliminary findings remain the same.